Hey everyone, welcome back to Practice English Easily, where English becomes simple and natural. I'm Jeet, and today is day 2 of our powerful English learning journey. In today's video, you learn 100 super useful questions, the kind of questions people ask in real life, at home, outside, at work, with friends, everywhere. Asking questions is one of the fastest ways to start a conversation in English. So let's start improving your speaking skills, sentence by sentence, question by question. Are you ready? Let's go. Section 1. Everyday Small Talk. Let's start with simple questions used every day. How are you? What's up? How's it going? What are you doing? How was your day? Where are you going? What did you eat? Can I ask you something? Are you busy? Do you have a minute? What time is it? Did you sleep well? What's your plan for today? Where were you yesterday? Who are you talking to? Speak with me and practice. Section 2. At home and with family. Here are questions for home and family situations. What's for breakfast? Can you help me with this? Did you do your homework? Why are you shouting? Who left the door open? Are you feeling okay? What do you want to eat? Did you feed the dog? Can you clean your room? Where is the remote? Have you seen my phone? What movie are we watching? Are you coming with us? Why are you so late? When will you be back? Use these questions every day and make English natural. Section 3. At work or school. Now some questions for school, college, and office use. Did you finish the report? Can we meet later? What's the deadline? Who is your team leader? Can you explain this again? What's your schedule today? Where is the meeting room? When is our next class? Did you submit the assignment? Can we take a break? Who's absent today? Are you free after lunch? Did you understand the topic? Can I borrow your pen? How was your exam? Real English, real situations. Learn them all. Section 4. Shopping and outside. Let's talk about common questions when you're outside or shopping. How much is this? Do you have this in a bigger size? Can I try it on? Is this on sale? Where is the billing counter? Do you accept credit cards? Is it available in blue? Can I return this later? Do you have any offers? Where is the trial room? Is this fresh? What are your opening hours? Do you sell cold drinks? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Can you pack this for me? Essential questions for confident communication outside. Section 5. Talking to friends. Here are questions for talking with your friends. What's new with you? Do you want to hang out? Are you free this weekend? What music do you like? Who's your favorite actor? Want to go for a walk? Do you play video games? Can I borrow your charger? What are you watching these days? Have you seen that movie? How was your trip? What are you thinking about? Can we go out for coffee? Are you coming to the party? Who invited you? These will help you talk like a natural speaker. Section 6. Phone and Internet. Let's not forget questions you use online and on the phone. Can you hear me? Are you online now? Did you get my message? Can we do a video call? Is your internet working? Did you post that photo? Can you send me the link? Who called you? What app do you use? Do you use Instagram? Did you like my reel? Are you following me? Can you share this post? Who is in the group chat? Is your phone on silent? Modern questions for today's digital life. Section 7. Travel and Transport. Finally, questions for when you're traveling. Where is the nearest bus stop? When does the next train arrive? Is this seat taken? How long will it take? Where are you heading? Do I need a ticket? Is this the right platform? Can I get a window seat? Where can I book a cab? Is it safe to travel now? Perfect for real-life use during trips or commuting. Wow! You did it! You just learned 100 of the most useful questions in English in a single video. These are the questions real people ask every day.